today I'm going to show you how to make really quick and easy Yorkshire puddings. And if you're not familiar with Yorkshire puddings, you're missing out, number one. And number two, they are not puddings, they're not sweet. They're savoury little kind of batter cakes or, pancakes, I guess, but cooked in the oven, similar batter to pancakes, and they puff up and become really nice, golden, crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside, perfect with a roast meal such as, roast beef or roast chicken. And it's one of my absolute favourite things to have with a Sunday lunch. So I will show you how quick and easy these are to make, so let's get started. So here's what we'll need for our Yorkshire puddings. I've got 3 whole eggs here, so medium-sized eggs at room temperature. And to this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Everything a whisk. Now add 150 milliliters of whole milk. Whisk this together again. And now to this, we're going to add 125 grams of plain flour or all-purpose flour. So do this in 2 additions. You want a light and smooth batter. So you're looking for a batter that's kind of like crepe batter. There you go, quite runny, and that's all done. We're going to pour this into a jug now, so back into the jug, because this will make it easier to pour into the tin. So pour it back into the jug. I'm just going to leave the whisk in there because once we're ready to pour the batter in, we're going to give it a quick stir. Our batter is done, so set that aside and make sure you have a 12-hole muffin tray handy, so it needs to be quite deep. Once we're ready to make our Yorkshire puddings, we're going to preheat the tin with oil in the tin because once the oil is hot, very hot, we're going to put the batter in and that's when it cooks and puffs up. So to begin, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of oil into each of the muffin tin holes and then add this to a preheated oven at 200 degrees fan. So 1 teaspoon per muffin tin hole. Make sure you have a measuring spoon for this. So now we've added all the oil, we're going to add this to our preheated oven and heat the oil for around 10 to 12 minutes. And then we'll add the batter while the tray is in the oven, but I'll show you how to do that when we get to that stage. Be very careful when you do this. Pour in the batter very quickly and half fill each of the muffin tin hole. So once we've closed the oven door, we're going to let these cook for around 12 minutes or so, or until they're really nice and golden. Our Yorkshire puddings are done. Our Yorkshire puddings are done. Look how amazing they look. Really nice and crispy on the outside, puffed up. I just know they're going to be absolutely delicious. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make Yorkshire puddings, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time.